Good morning, everybody, and today we're going to be looking at the capacity of a graduated mug as a jug as opposed to the capacity of a graduated cylinder. So here in the jug, we know the graduated total capacity is 1 litre, which is 1,000 millilitres, and the graduated capacity of the cylinder is 100 millilitres, which is a tenth of the total capacity of the jug. So you want to establish the intervals here. So look very carefully, and the intervals are the markings between one and the next. Draw the graduated cylinders into your copies and shade in the specific measurement areas. I want you to do that from A1 to A10, and I'll have a photograph, a pic attached, uploaded also, guys, here. So looking closely, you have your maximum capacity is 100 mils. Now draw the graduated jugs into your copies and shade in the specific measurement for each one, and that's a half. So we have intervals of 100. And which then makes the total capacity of your graduated jug as 1,000 mils, which is equal to 1 litre. So that's, I want you to do B, all of B, and you use your copy as a gauge, the squares in your copy. And then here, guys, they want you to choose the appropriate measuring instrument for each of the following objects, the objects being the teapot, egg cup, all the way down to wine glass. Estimate the capacity. What is the total capacity that you can fill into your teapot, into your egg cup, millilitres, litres, and then the overall real capacity, and then your difference. So you estimate, and that's a mathematical estimation, not a wild guess, and then the actual capacity, and then to get the total, the difference between your estimation and the actual capacity, you subtract. So you have those done for, and you have to decide which one you would use. Would you use a graduated mug, a jug to fill a teapot, or a cylinder? And then the answers will be uploaded tomorrow. So your revision percentages from yesterday, and we had expressed the following pairs as percentages. Okay, guys? So we'd express the following pairs as percentages: 1 and 2, which is 50%. 1 and 3, which is 1 out of 3, 1 divided by 3, which is 33 1/3%. Then we had 3 and 4, which is 75%. 1 and 5, which is 1 over 5, which is 20%, which a fifth is 20%. 4 over 5, which is 4/5, which is 80%, and 7/10, 70%. And then increase the following by 10%. So 10% of, which is a tenth of 20 is 2, that's 22 total. A tenth of €3 is 30 cents, so that's €3.30 total. A tenth of 100 is 10, so that's 110 total. And a tenth of 150 is 15 cent, and that's €1.65 when added on. A tenth of 70 is 7 cents 70 cent. A tenth of €10.50, so 10 goes into 10 once, 10 won't go into 5, and 10 goes into 55 times. So you add on €1.05, which is €11.55 total. And then the tenth of 300 is 30, and that's 330 total. And a tenth of 50 cent is 5 cents, so that's 0.55. That's a 5 there, guys. 55 cent. Okay, so tonight then, guys, you're going to be going on to decrease the following amounts by 10%. So I want you to decrease the amount by 10% and give me the total when you subtract. So you must 5 the 10% and then decrease it by that 10%. And the answers again will be uploaded for you tomorrow. Okay, guys? Thanks a mil.